My boy do a show tonight and him bless me with little spot on the line, you know? I give him a little two song, man. Two vibes, you know, cause we don't really have no song, you know, a vibes rap, so give them two vibe tonight. First time I give them some vibe on the other side of the state lines, you know? Right now they are Toronto, Psych, a joke, Quebec, Montreal, you wanna see something? Yeah, man. This one I did a joke, you remember the 6 thing earlier and the 4 with it, you know? Yeah, so, yeah man, Quebec, Montreal, I do one first performance. Enough for the chattings, man, I have to hurry up and get downstairs, you know?
You just
put on the shirt where y'all gonna see that movie. Need some light for, my boy I need, wait name some light for show, you want shootings.
lights for life.
It's a bumbo cut. And I have different tone too, you know?
Oh yeah, that's alright.
Boss up them, man. Some
You got
Looney Tunes, you know?
You got Canadians?
Yeah, man, some Looney Tunes on the way. Canadian cheddar. Money for the thing, we say, you know? Colorful, call it pretty, man. Pretty money. Them people that just love paper, plastic, and them sitting there. Them will just trade the scene and get some merchant goods. See? This not really even mean nothing, man. I just tool, you know? Tool alone. Yeah, man. But we need the tool them send we here, so send me anything. Yeah. Alright. Over here, you know. Leave my bum bucket. Well, short time. Freshen up for the thing, isn't it? Free show or money show, you know. I think my ears in here. Alright, put it up there, man. So I do it. Dirty or no? I ain't no quick oh, part of that. No, we have to go now. What are we doing? Yeah. Alright, ready now? Follow me. We all travel, boy. Let's do the swags on them. Well, we know now, huh? Locked in. Yeah, we're gonna do the magic. We're gonna make the magic.
Alright, how do you feel? First performance outside the country?
Yeah. I mean, you know, feels interesting. We'll see, you know.
There you go.
Canadian out here. I don't really know how to operate the situation. But yeah, man, how do I feel? It's just like shredding, man, you know? You get a little nervous sometimes when you're about to go put that work in, but feeling alright. I'm feeling alright. Gotta get the butterflies out, you know? That's why we have the big going on here.
Facts.
You get that 2 drinks and everything there.
Yeah,
It should be alright, you know what I'm saying? Take it from there, you know what I mean? Alright. Short time now, you know?
Money for the thing, everybody want more money for the thing. Money for the thing, everybody want more money for the thing. Money for the thing, everybody want it on your no ring. Money for the thing, everybody want it on your no ring. Money for the thing, everybody want be an out of the box. Money for the thing, everybody want more money for the thing. Money for the thing, everybody want more money for the thing. Money for the thing, everybody want more money for the thing.
Ah!